So got the new starter motor through, which is identical in every way except on my old one there was a hole just about here for another bolt to go through. A slightly smaller hole, but a hole nonetheless, and this isn't going to go on without the hole, so I'm either going to drill a hole, cut the other bolt off the car, or send it back and try and get my old one back reconditioned. Fun. Okay, so this is the third bolt here. So these are the two main ones, there and there, that are already drilled in the starter motor. This is the third one here, and it actually is attached to something out the back there that looks like this. So I could actually take that out and fit the new starter motor, but I don't know what that thing does, whether it locks something in place or what. I'll try and get another video from the other side. This is it from the other side. That is it in place. If I take it out, it just looks like that. What do you think? So the third bolt that was protruding through the housing for the starter wheel that my new starter motor didn't have a hole for just came out. I'm not really sure what it was, but here's the new starter motor in place. It's not bolted on yet because I've got to get the manifolds in, but it looks good, fits. Let's see how this goes.